In today's video, we are going to be looking at an important concept in mathematics, the concept of compounding, and how it applies to our daily life, our daily growth, be it in wisdom, be it in finances. Many of us know about the compound interest on loan or on savings. It's the same. It's the same concept. Now, if you improve by 1% daily because of the compounding effect of increase, you will not become 365% better. 365% looks good, but 365% simply means 3.65 times better. So if you improve yourself by 1%, if you improve your wisdom, your knowledge by 1%, or your wealth by 1% daily, at the end of the year, you are not just 365% better, or you are not just 3.65 better. Because of the concept of compounding, you are going to become about 38 times better than you are today if you start improving yourself by 1% daily. That's what we are going to demonstrate in this video. So in day one, you are just 1 unit and you improve yourself by 1%. So that is 1 plus 1%. So that gives you 1 plus 1% is 0.01. That's 1 over 100. This is 0.01. So after day one, you are 1.01 times better than you were. So at day 2, you improve by 1% again. You are now at 1.01. So you improve by 1% of 1.01. So when you factor out 1.01, because it is common, you now have 1.01 times 1 plus 1%. This simply gives you 1.01 times 1.01. So at day 2, you are 1.01 to the power 2. Now, if you work out for day 3, you see that at day 3, you'll be at 1.01. In a similar way, you work it out, you'll be at 1.01 to the power 3. Now, after 1 month, this is what happens. Day 30, you are at 1.01 to the power 30. That gives you 1.34. This is where some people give up. 1.34 from 1 seems insignificant. They are not yet really enjoying the compounding effect of their growth. But somebody who stays consistent and goes right up to the 365, they become 1.01 to the power 365 times better, and that gives you 37.78. You are 37.78 times better. Imagine, 37.78 is approximately equal to 38 times better just by improving yourself 1% on a daily basis. We have just demonstrated that improving yourself by 1% daily makes you 38 times better over the year. See, this is not just a mathematical concept, it is also a biblical concept, because the Bible says that in Galatians 6:9 that we should not get weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap the harvest if we do not give up. So this is the concept of compounding that is also found in the Bible. That's why you see that many small businesses, over time they grow if they stay consistent. That's because, imagine you start a business today, you have 5 regular buyers after 1 month. After say 10 months, the number of regular, if the business is consistent and it's going ahead, the number of buyers will only add to the regular buyers that you already have. And you can begin to imagine what will happen after 5 years of being consistent and improving your business consistently. So the question for us today is, what did you stop doing right that will have compounded over the years? There are many things we start and we give up when we have not given it time to compound. We saw here that at the end of 30 days, the improvement will have been just the improvement will be just 1 point. The person who started at 1 unit will be at 1.34 a unit, which is somehow insignificant, and at that level many people give up. But if the person were to continue for a period of 1 year, the person would have been 37 times better than they were when they started, or 38 times better than they were when they started. Is the CEO of Camel Supplies. If you're headed for the top, for the bottom is crowded. Join us on this journey. Like, comment, share, for that's how others will discover the amazing content we are sharing. Be blessed. See you on the next video.